Hello everyone, welcome to BIMconcept. If you love architecture, interior design and warm living spaces inspired by nature, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to support the channel and follow more inspiring projects from BIMconcept. Today, we would like to introduce a modern tropical home designed with a balance of simplicity, warmth, and connection to nature. A place where natural light, soft materials, and greenery come together to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. From the exterior, the house immediately feels welcoming and elegant. The architecture combines modern lines with warm, wooden elements, large roof overhangs, and open landscaped spaces. The front facade features clean geometry, natural textures, and subtle ventilation blocks that add both character and softness to the overall composition. The living area continues the same warm and minimal aesthetic. Soft beige furniture, textured fabrics, wooden details, and natural light help create a relaxing environment that feels both modern and comfortable. Surrounded by lush greenery and natural daylight, the house feels deeply connected to its environment. The outdoor spaces are designed like a private resort, with soft garden lighting, stone pathways, and relaxing seating areas that create a tranquil mood from day to night. Inside, the home follows an open-plan layout where the kitchen, dining area, and living room flow seamlessly together. Warm wood tones, creamy neutral colors, and soft indirect lighting create a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere throughout the interior. Another important design element is the integration of nature into every corner of the home. Large windows and sliding glass doors allow sunlight to enter deeply into the interior while visually connecting the indoor spaces with the garden outside. Plants, natural materials, and earthy tones together create a peaceful lifestyle experience. The bedroom spaces are designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. Warm lighting, neutral palettes, soft textures, and carefully selected furniture create an atmosphere that feels calm, intimate, and restful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this design, please leave a comment below and let us know what kind of architecture or interior concepts you would like to see next on BIMconcept.